Hello guys, welcome to TK's Maths and Tutoring. So today we're gonna be talking about percentage yield. So percentage yield is the ratio of the actual yield to the theoretical yield expressed as a percentage. So this is normally used maybe in pharmaceuticals where people are mixing chemicals. They wanna know from the maximum we can get, how much is the possible we are getting out, so that they can see of ways to improve it if they can put it into numbers. So as we said, it's the theoretical yield over the it's the actual yield over the theoretical yield effect. All right. So what is the theoretical yield? So the theoretical yield is defined as the maximum amount of product that could be formed from the given amount of reactants. Okay, and what is the actual yield? The actual yield is the amount of product actually obtained from a reaction. All right, so let me just give you a formula here. Okay, so this is how you calculate it. Let me just put it here as an equation. So it's actually what? Percentage yield is equal to what? The actual yield we're gonna get divided by the theoretical yield. Okay, so the theoretical yield, you can actually get it when you balance your equation, when you use the conservation of mass, that the mass of the reactants is equal to the mass of the products. So that is the theoretical yield, which is actually the maximum amount theoretically we can get from a reaction. But normally, in normal circumstances, we don't usually get the 100%. Normally, it's due to maybe impurities, incomplete reactions, side reactions, loss of product during purification, and also measurement errors. Okay, so this one we highlighted it as actual yield over theoretical yield times 100% to put it as a percentage. All right, so that is our formula here. Okay, so let's work on this example. This is the example of synthesis of water, where the chemical reaction is 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. So they say, assuming at the start you are given 4 grams of hydrogen and 32 grams of oxygen, and suppose you actually collect 30 grams of water after the reaction. So that is the actual yield. So what you have to do first, you have to calculate the theoretical yield first. Theoretical yield. Okay, so as you're observing here, it's 2H2 plus O2 to give us 2H2O. All right, so we actually see it's actually 2 against 1 to give us 2. We're actually taking just the number of moles here, which is 2 against 1 to against 2. So they say we are given 4 grams of hydrogen. So what is 4 grams of hydrogen? Okay, so hydrogen, molar mass of hydrogen is what? It's what, 1 gram. And now we got H2. So H2, the molar mass is actually what? H2, we got what? 2 times 1, which is equal to 2 grams, right? So if we're given 4 grams, so that is it's actually a multiple of what? 2. So it's just like the same, which is 2 by H2 here, which is the same in the equation here. Okay, so let's just check for oxygen. Oxygen, it's what? Oxygen, let's check for O2. O2 is actually what? 16 by 2, which is actually what? 32 grams. So okay, so yeah, 1 mole of O2 is equal to what? 32 grams. So we are given we are given the same year, which is actually we're starting with 4 grams. We're starting with 4 grams here and 32 grams. So these are the same moles, which is actually equal to what? 2:1, like in the reaction here. So these 4 grams and 32 grams will give us what? 2 moles of water, of which what? 2 moles of water, it's equal to what? 2 times, how much is hydrogen? Hydrogen is 1 times 2 plus molar mass of oxygen, which is 16. So let's just punch it in this one. So the resulting mass is what? 36, right? So by conservation of mass, we actually see that we got 4 grams of hydrogen here and 32 grams, which is 4 plus 32, which results in 36. So the mass is conserved. All right. So this one is the theoretical yield. All right. So now we're gonna punch it in, because the theoretical yield is 36 grams, but we are given the actual yield is what? The actual yield is 30 grams. Okay. It's what, 30 grams, where percentage yield is equal to what? Actual yield, yield all over the theoretical yield. Okay, by 100%. Okay, so that's actually 30 all over 36 by 100%. We're gonna get, let me just calculate this. Also, we're gonna get 83.33%. Okay, so that's our answer, 83.33%. All right, so it's actually easy. You just have to find the actual yield, not the theoretical one. The actual yield is given. You have to find the theoretical one using your balanced equations. Okay, so in conclusion, the percentage yield of the synthesis of water is approximately 83.33%. All right, so this normally indicates that the reaction was fairly efficient but not perfect, possibly due to factors like incomplete reactions or loss of product during collection or spillages, maybe human error. All right, so thank you guys for engaging. So if you want to watch some more videos, just check in the channel. We've got more videos for you and more videos coming. Okay guys, thank you so much.
Okay, let's go.